we hello, anyone has any doubt, any query so far? Okay, so I consider it no, and now we are going to start learning Salesforce, and we'll see how easy it is to implement any functionality in Salesforce and how we can build any applications. What are the tools Salesforce provides us to enable faster development? Okay, so we are going with a project. Okay, and the project would be, you must have appeared even once in any interview process, right? So we are going to use that knowledge, your experience, to build these applications, and we are going to build recruitment app. Okay, hello, please feel free to unmute yourself.
Okay, Shan.
Yeah, so now when I gave you the word recruitment, what are the things happen when you appear for any interview? Anyone? Has anyone attended any interview?
From the very first, Shan, you want to start?
Yeah,
Like
yeah, from the
the
beginning, because we
HR,
are going
like
to
you
build an
apply.
application. Yeah.
So basically, we apply for the job, and then if our profile gets shortlisted, then the HR calls you uh, and does the basic round, and then schedule an interview for you for the further positions, and then the uh, like the desired team, whatever is get like recruiting, like they contact you, and then you have an interview. And yeah, like if you get selected, then you get
Then
the
they roll
job.
out your offer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then then again the HR contacts you, and then further
Correct.
process.
Correct. So let's note down these all points as a requirement. So could you please share your screen and open Excel?
Sure, just one moment.
Yeah.
And can you enable uh oh,
Wait, I think I asked to start video instead of sharing. Let me just quickly do that.
yeah.
Okay, I made you the host, so you can just share your screen.
Yeah, sure.
So just list down what happens. You visit a portal, Monster, Naukri, any other employment website, right? Others, please help her to list down the points, please.
Visit the employment website. I don't know, like this should be there, right?
See, just list down the points. Others are going to help you out. Guys, I would request you to please feel free to unmute and speak up. Okay. Emmanuel, you have shared some of the points, but I would like you to say it. If you could just unmute yourself and say, that would be really helpful. So, and we can have the interactive session.
Got it. All right. First round of interview. If
Sorry?
if there's a second round of interview, then you can go. But if there's not a second round of interview, then we would
Yeah.
have they're gonna send you the offer letter if you accept it.
Yeah.
I mean, I will say it will be like a technical. So that
Yeah.
is
So
the
that can be anything. See,
yeah,
either it's
yeah.
technical or managerial. There will be one round of interview. That's it. Or second round of interview, or third round of interview, or if they are having n number of rounds, then our application should be able to accommodate that, right?
Yeah.
Scheduling of interview. Scheduling the meeting or interview. Just email notification or something like that, right?
Yeah, could be on the every level or also could be at the end also. Yeah, that's and then I that's my knowledge on this. I mean, Emmanuel, if you have
Yeah,
anything on that.
yeah, that's good. Thanks for your input, and others, please help her to add some points, some more points if you have anything in your mind, right?
I think that looks good. Or unless you want to add more, but that looks like a pretty decent.
I'm not sure if he wants to say.
Mohammed, can you go on mute, Mohammed? Yeah, thank you.
I guess we all have agreed on this for now.
Great. Now, this is from the perspective of a candidate who is applying for a job. Just think from the perspective of an HR. What all those things will come first? Just note it down on column C or D, anywhere. And think from HR. What are the things they get and how that gets processed?
So I'm thinking they're gonna take a look at all the resumes that come in. Screen with resumes, yeah. And then they're gonna shortlist to the number of resumes that kind of fit the role. And then they're gonna go ahead and contact them schedule meetings for the interviews. And after the first set of interview, they can go ahead and shortlist again to, a more yeah. After that, they go ahead and choose who they think is a potential.
Yeah, like contacting after final
I
round.
think they rank them
I mean,
just in case, someone
sorry.
applies to office. Right. You got it. Ranking the candidates and offer letters.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they see whoever picks it up. And
Yeah, they just release the offer.
yeah. So after that, then whoever accepts the offer letter, gets to start. But if they want to negotiate, then they'll
Oh,
have
yeah.
to go ahead, go through another whole process. Then acceptance of offer letter. You're good.
We can say like final release.
Yeah, that should be it.
Yes. Sean, is it what you're looking for?
It's not about what I'm looking for. It's about you are going to make this application. So you should
Yeah, I
think
mean, are
whether
we?
it's sufficient.
Yeah, I mean, are we in the right direction?
Yeah, everything is correct, right? So it's like just some points here and there, and you need to just work on it. Okay.
Okay.
So, so let me tell you. So this is one question. Like, against what you start recruitment? What is there against which the recruiter or the HR personnel will find the candidate? There should be some requirement, right? There should be some position for which you are hiring, right? You're not going
Right.
directly or blindly to the market and you start hiring. You must have some position with you, right?
Right.
So think about that.
And then, like, you're saying like, instead of like HR, there should be like manager positions, like not just like regular HR, like lead or like that. Sorry, Sean, can you repeat that again? Like, is what you're looking for like is like lead?
See, I'm not looking for. See, think about the application. You are going to build an application for recruitment,
Excuse me, sir.
right? For recruitment, right?
Hello.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
audible, guys?
Your voice is not audible. I mean, not
Your
clear.
voice
There
is
is
not
any
clear.
disturbance.
Uh, is it okay now?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, give me 1 sec, please. Yeah, is it okay now?
No,
No,
it's
sir.
Still some like noise is coming.
Okay.
Your
give me
voice
one
is
sec.
not clear. Can you connect again?
Yeah, thank you. The same. Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, it's
Yes.
better. It's better now.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
great. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I was talking about, like we are planning to build an application for recruit, right? So the HR finds the right candidate against a position, right or not? They are having opening for Salesforce developer, Salesforce admin, Salesforce architect, Java developer, Java admin, Java architect, against which they start finding the right candidate, right?
Right.
So,
Yeah.
so think from that perspective that at the beginning you will have a position against which you will try to find out the candidate, right? So first will be position. No, go to your next column and start writing it down. Yeah. So now write down position.
Like HR will be posting a position
There will
or
be
just
a
position?
position against which HR will find out the right candidate.
Okay.
So you need to think about the position is nothing but the vacancy which he is having and what all the things he requires to fulfill that particular position. All the
Okay.
information, whether he is looking for Java developer, Salesforce developer, anything else, these all informations will be captured under the position, right? Now start thinking around position. What all the information one position should contain?
The educational qualification.
Job requirements, like they have certain
Yeah.
like roles defined, right? So basically roles and responsibilities.
Past experience.
Skill for that position.
Any certification if needed. Job location. Job type, if it is permanent, contractual.
Right.
Salary compensation.
Um, do they give salary expectations? Like they
Compensation, like what the candidates expecting, or like what company can provide, like
Oh
bonuses
yeah,
and
yeah,
all.
like medical, right. Or they just expect. Okay. Uh, about the company. I don't know. They posted there.
Like in the posting they posted, but we are just putting out all the details about what HR is doing to like.
Yeah, like the filter. I guess that's pretty much it.
Yeah, we can.
Shan?
Yeah, guys. So you are capturing some more details about position, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Good. So now you are getting familiar with what is required, right? In this application.
Right.
Okay. So now you are
Mhm.
getting familiar with the requirement. Now you can think more about it as well, right? As rightly you have position, like one position can contain education qualification, correct? Roles and responsibility, correct? Experience, correct? Skill, correct? Certification, correct? Location, correct? Job type, correct? Salary compensation, correct? These all things are really required for a position, right? We will have certain budget, right? And based on that, the HR finds the right candidate, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So you can put more points over there on position as well. Now, the second thing is candidate. So go to next column and start describing the details of a candidate. First is position, right? You need Java developer or Salesforce developer, then he should be admin certified or developer certified, or he should have 3 years or 2 years of experience. He must know asynchronous apex, batch classes, or certain specific area, right?
Mhm.
These all informations will be captured, and the offering, salary offering. So min pay and max pay. So min pay should be, you can say, $1,000 per month, right? And max pay is $20,000 per month. So these all things will be there in position, but the candidate who is applying for his information, right? When you apply for a certain position, then your information should also be captured, right? Right or not?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that information will be captured as candidate. So just write down the candidate and list down all the things which we should capture for a candidate.
I should better have been above. Some intro basically. I don't know anything else, guys.
Guys, discuss among yourself and put it down. That's this should be an interactive session, right? You are going to create a project, right? And that requires everyone's participation.
Personal information of that candidate like date of birth, marital status, hobbies.
So when you create your account on any job portal, what all the information you provide? The same will come in this candidate, right?
So just like a candidate account creation, like it then it depends basically, Shan, like what type of account you're creating. Some don't even need like some accounts, like for even for job vacancies, for creating an account, like Indeed is not gonna ask me what's my experience and skill set. That's like a further step, like when it basically tells you like once a profile is created, you add down all those information.
Correct. So you provide some of your information while creation of your account in any job portal. The same thing we are going to capture over here, because that is the candidate information, right? And these all things we capture because that is the same, the candidate information and your profile in the job portal, because you are applying for a job and you are the candidate, correct?
Mhm.
You upload your profile, right? Resume, right?
Yeah, but like a resume will be in this or like the other content once the profile is created. It should be here only, right?
Candidate information will be there only. uh, they might not require username and password because that is that's a sensitive information. You log in a portal, right? But
Mhm.
you apply in any company, any job, right? You, what do you do? You log into the job portal, you see multiple positions over there, you like some of them and you click on it, and that is not from the person who has, or not from the company who has provided the portal, that is from a company who needs candidate, right? You apply for Salesforce. So Salesforce is a company and it is hiring a Salesforce developer. So it does not require your username or password information. What it requires, your candidate information. That means your contact information and your experience, your skill sets, right?
Okay.
Your interest, your resume, your cover letter, and other informations which matches to the current position.
Okay.
Then the company's HR or the recruiter calls you that you have applied for certain job and we want to have a further discussion on it, right?
Right.
So think of it.
Transcripts.
Sorry.
Transcripts. Past experience.
Okay. That's it, right? We provide first name, last name, address, phone number, date of birth,
Mhm.
email address, certifications, skill sets, resume, cover letter, our schooling, degree, transcripts, experience.
And I guess last we can do those diversity questions, or like diversity questions, criminal
Like interest,
background. Yeah. Sorry. No.
like your hobby.
Yeah, hobbies also. By diversity questions, I meant by like your ethnicity, where are you
Oh
from?
yeah. If you have served armed,
Yeah,
uh,
yeah, the military.
I don't know if it's the same, but yeah. Oh, it also a reference.
Yeah, referral.
Should I like write like uh so reference like both the thing like name and then
No,
email address or
they
something?
both can
Or
be
just
different references and then referral.
you want me to do it separate?
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Okay, so now you are capturing the candidate information, right?
Mhm.
So you are getting some idea about what you're doing, right? Right or
Right.
not? You're getting some idea. So think more about other functionalities which our recruiting app can have. Okay, think about it.
The same way like a candidate has its login information, a HR person can have their account so that they can access it. Like we didn't add it.
Yeah, think about it and note it down somewhere else, some in any column. Write it down.
Do you want me to like write, like this is the process, right? We can write here.
Yeah, so as of now, we are going to note down the processes, the username password thing, the credential thing. We'll do it later.
Okay. I don't know which portion it should go, but like, you know, how we apply and then we get an email notification.
Yeah, so
That
you can use any other column where you will write this particular functionality. After applying to a certain position, the candidate
yeah.
should get a notification.
And then like every phase that it is, like, you know, sometimes if it's like only for certain jobs it happens, like like I saw it like once or twice that, you know, if it goes to different step, like if a HR has opened your resume, like it shows like what stage it is.
Yeah, so we can
So you
do
can mention it.
verification
You
stages.
can mention different stages.
I don't know anything like process. Any other process guys coming to mind?
Can we put that similar job alerts?
Yeah, so whatever comes in your mind, you can put that.
Oh, once you have a profile, we also get like a message option, right? We can, there is like a,
Like contact the HR or the
yeah, right?
hiring department,
Yeah, I don't know
yeah.
if I guess it was Indeed that has it.
LinkedIn.
Oh, link. uh, I don't know if it, but it's still a process.
Yeah.
Or I should be like contacting. Oh, what else? It's a process. It can also be like a phone thing also. Mm. Anything else?
Jobs applied, like where the candidate has applied the jobs already.
Oh, and then also saved
Yeah,
jobs.
same.
Mm.
Withdraw application.
Mhm. Because that's all right.
Yeah. Can we put resume builder?
Oh, there is. Oh, yeah. Oh, then there is also like companies review that we put. Like in Glassdoor, we can do like
Mm,
we can check
yeah.
before applying. Uh,
That's good
they
idea.
also do salary offered. Is that salary offered like we can see like what position is getting what salary in this organization? I don't know like what's that is, but like
That would be going in under position vacancy only. Like we have in the F column, we have stated salary compensation. I don't think it's gonna come under this.
but is it yeah. But that can actually come under like companies role. Like I'm not saying like we can see
Okay,
like for
the official
every
app.
company, right? Like yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, but I guess that'll not be a process. Yeah, I guess
Thanks.
we are
This was pretty much
yeah.
Yeah, it looks great. And I'm really happy to see you guys working together and collaborating. Okay, so you have found out the position, the candidate information, the processes which could be there, right?
Mhm.
So we are almost there, right? Now think about how one candidate could be related to a position. How? There is a candidate, right, who is applying for a position. How these two entities will be related to each other.
Okay, anything, so quali education, qualification is met, then experience is met, skill set is met. Is in the position.
If the role
Create,
is applying for met or not.
yeah, but like roles and responsibility, like I'm saying, like if we check, if like a candidate's resume has to be checked, like with the position, so like in the screening basically.
Mhm.
I don't know, like if in resume we don't write, right, like roles and responsibilities, or is it like just like that about section that we put like from there, like we basically edit that, right, as per roles and whatever. Could be, yeah. Roles and um,
Salary expectation and offerings.
That is negotiable, I don't think.
yeah, but like that we never put it, right, like we, like a candidate never puts it anywhere. That's like a further step. It's just right now like for a position, like a posting basically.
Hmm. Location. Yeah, that's it.
Right, yeah. Yeah, Shan, we found the relation.
So how it will be related?
It's like a if education qualification that's mentioned.
No,
So basically,
see, that is something which will be there, right? See, what will be there? The position might have certain requirement that someone should be engineer or someone should be master, right? Someone has should have done masters or doctor or anything, right? Now that is related to a position. The candidate can have certain things like he must be a plain degree holder or he must have done certain specific like engineering or com science or something else he might have done. That is their own entity. What I want to know, you are applying, the candidate is applying for a position, right?
Yeah.
How that should be related, like whether one candidate can apply for a multiple position or one position can be applied by multiple candidates, right? Think about it. One candidate can apply to multiple position, right? And there is one position which is being applied by multiple candidates. Think about it. See, these all things you should start thinking. Okay. The software developer job is not about pure this
like a
development and
relation.
done. You should start thinking, right? That's totally a mind shift. Okay. Your thinking process changes. Anyways, you can start thinking about it after getting relaxed, because I know it's too much for today. You have We have discussed about position, we have discussed about candidate, we are talking about how someone can apply for a certain position, the relationships and everything. So that's something I feel that should be interesting for you as well, and that really requires thinking, right? Deep thinking. Anyway, so we are just keeping it like it's already 9 a.m. in India. So I'm just stopping the class here. But if you have any doubt, any query, we can address it through. And I'll request Sunakshi, please, could you please make me the host, or you can stop the recording.
Oh, right, sure. Your host, no, sure.